Before you start building your quiz, you can amend the quiz title on the left sidebar. You can also amend and customize your subheading and description. You can also edit and upload a different image. When you add the quiz block, the first question by default is multiple choice. Enter the question. For the choices, you can change the text on the left sidebar or the right sidebar. Ensure you select the correct answer for the question. You can also have the option to shuffle answers. This will shuffle the choices on each attempt. Feedback type. You have a variety of feedback options to choose from. None is by default. Any response, correct, incorrect, or by choice, where you can provide specific feedback for each choice. Media is where you can add an image, video, or an audio. For this question type, the user can only select one correct answer. Next, we will add a multiple response question where the user can select multiple answers. Enter the question. Enter the answers. Ensure you select the correct answer in the right sidebar. In media, this is where you can add an image, video, or an audio. You can also edit the image. Next, we will add a fill-in-the-blanks question, which consists of a phrase, sentence, or paragraph with a blank space where the user provides a missing word. Enter the question. You can have multiple acceptable answers. You also have the option to make it case sensitive. You can also provide feedback in a feedback type setting. You have a variety of feedback options to choose from. Next, we will add a matching question where users link choices to matching pairs. Enter the question. To edit the text, you will need to use the right sidebar. You can also add a video in the media setting. This is where you can add an image, video, or an audio. Next, we will add a multiple image choice, which allows users to select a visual response. Enter the question. Select and edit your image responses. Select the correct image response on the right sidebar. Next, we will add a multiple image response, which allows users to select multiple visual responses. Enter the question. Select and edit your image responses. Select the correct image responses on the right sidebar. Once you have created the quiz, you can now preview and attempt the quiz.